The surge of COVID numbers in Kerala continues. It's in the center of India's COVID pains yet again. The state's COVID numbers are surging this week following Onam festivities, and the administration has come under pressure for failing again to control the crisis.
Onam is to Kerala what Diwali is to Delhi. The state which gave the festival the go-by last year, this time opened up and celebrated big time. A week later, the aftermath is there to see. The state reported over 30,000 cases on Thursday, with the test positivity ratio above 18%. Kerala is the only state in the country with over 1 lakh active COVID cases. It contributed over 60% of the cases in the country on Thursday. The Union Health Ministry says the state must increase testing and tracing to get a grip on the situation.
टेस्ट जो हो रहे हैं केरल में उनकी संख्या को और बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है और इन टेस्ट्स में जो लोग पॉजिटिव पाए जाते हैं उनके कॉन्टैक्ट ट्रेसिंग को और प्रभावी बनाने की आवश्यकता है. बेटर एंड इफेक्टिव मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ पीपल हु आर इन होम आइसोलेशन. व्हाई? Because more than 80% of people are in home isolation in the state. So therefore, festivals have to be celebrated with COVID-appropriate behavior.
The saving grace experts in Kerala say is that hospitals are taking the load. But now, the stress is starting to show. 38% of the ICU beds are vacant and 37% of the ventilators are available.
Increase the total number of vaccination in the coming days, and if the hospital admissions are under control, this surge also can be managed easily.
Kerala Health Minister Veena George has blamed the higher numbers on improper isolation of patients at home.
We are closely monitoring the situation, and our government of Kerala is dedicated to protect the lives and also the livelihood. When you look at the fatality rate, we have one of the lowest fatality rates in the country, around 0.5%.
The surge in Kerala has sparked a political row, with both Congress and BJP targeting the left government.
An extremely unfortunate and negative development by a government that has been elected on a platform of being the people's government. That Kerala is in the ICU, and before it gets carried away in an ambulance, the government needs to take better action.
Government of Kerala said that we are introducing the home quarantine, which has miserably failed. So with such a good health infrastructure, if the government is not able to perform, it shows that the government doesn't have the capacity. Government is ineffective.
Kerala is at a critical juncture in its fight against COVID-19 pandemic. The state is betting on its high vaccination coverage to avoid serious illnesses among those infected by the virus. But if the cases continues to rise, the state's health infrastructure could well be compromised. With camera person Vishnu, Gopikrishnan Unnitharan in Thiruvananthapuram for India Today.